Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are here in Groesbeck, Texas. We're going to be working on the Land Rover project, getting it cleaned up. I'm driving the new Toyota TRD Tundra Pro this week, which is great because we're going to pop these wheels and tires off and take them to a local shop and get them swapped out with our new Cosmo tires, which will at least get the Land Rover rolling again. The Land Rover Discovery we picked up at an estate sale. Now this vehicle has been sitting for over 10 years, so it should be pretty fun to clean up. We're just going to do the exterior today, and we're going to do an interior video later. So we ran out of daylight today, but phase one, I guess, the first part of washing this, I think, came out really well. The paint's actually looking pretty decent underneath all of that moss and lichen and stuff that was growing on it. So we'll be back in a part two to finish washing the outside. It's just taking hours and hours here to get down through all this muck and grime, but I think it came out pretty good, and we'll be back on part two to finish washing the outside. Then we'll move inside, get that cleaned up. Then we'll start working on the mechanicals and see if we can get this old Land Rover back on the road. See you in the next video.